Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a homeschool teacher job application letter, step by step, in a way that sounds professional, warm, and confident. A homeschool teacher job application letter is a formal letter written to parents or guardians who are looking for a private educator to teach their child at home. This letter introduces who you are, explains your teaching experience, highlights your skills, and shows why you are a good fit for their family and their child's learning needs. Because homeschooling is very personal, this type of letter should be professional, but also friendly and reassuring. Now let's walk through the letter from top to bottom, and I'll explain what to write, why it's important, and some tips to remember, so you know exactly what to write when it's your turn. Applicant's contact information. Let's start with the very first part, your contact information. At the top of the letter, you write your full name, address, email, and phone number. This tells the family who you are and how they can reach you easily. Even if your resume is attached, you should still include this information in the letter itself. A tip here is to always use a professional email address and make sure your phone number is correct. Parents need to feel confident that they can contact you without any issues. Here's how it looks in the sample letter. Rachel M. Donovan, 5296 Brookfield Way, Fort Collins, Colorado, 80525. Email, rachel.donovan@email.com. Phone, 970-682-5149. Date. Next is the date. The date shows when the letter was written, which is important for records and professionalism. Always write the full date, not just numbers. In this example, the date is written as Date, March 21st, 2026. Recipient's information. After that, we include the recipient's details. Because this is a homeschool position, the letter is addressed to the family instead of a company. Writing the family's name and address shows respect and attention to detail. A helpful tip is to double-check the spelling of the family's name. This small detail really matters. Here's the sample. Hiring manager. The Parker family. 8421 Silver Pine Court, Fort Collins, Colorado, 80528. Subject line. Now let's talk about the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter. It helps the reader immediately understand why you are writing. Keep it short and specific, like this. Subject, application for homeschool teacher position. Salutation. Now we move to something very important. The salutation. Always include a polite greeting. If you don't know the exact name of the parent, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and professional option. First paragraph. Introduction. Now let's break down the first main paragraph, which is your introduction. In this paragraph, you should clearly say which position you are applying for, give a brief summary of your qualifications, and express enthusiasm for homeschooling. This paragraph sets the tone for the entire letter. Why is this important? Because parents usually decide within the first few lines whether they want to keep reading. You want to sound confident, caring, and capable right away. A good tip is to keep this paragraph focused and positive, without overwhelming the reader with too many details yet. Here's the sample paragraph. I am writing to apply for the homeschool teacher position for the Parker family. I am a certified teacher with experience providing personalized, one-on-one instruction tailored to individual learning styles, academic goals, and developmental needs. I am passionate about creating a structured yet flexible learning environment that supports both academic growth and curiosity. Second paragraph. Experience and teaching skills. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which is one of the most important parts of the letter. This paragraph focuses on your teaching experience, the subjects you teach, and how you adapt lessons for students. For homeschooling, parents want to know that you can personalize education and track progress effectively. Why this matters is because homeschooling is not one size fits all. Families want a teacher who can adjust lessons based on the child's pace and interests. A tip here is to mention both lesson planning and assessment because this shows professionalism and structure. Here's the full sample paragraph. In my previous role as a private homeschool instructor, I designed lesson plans aligned with state educational standards while adapting teaching methods to suit the students' pace and interests. I provided instruction in core subjects such as English, mathematics, science, and social studies, and regularly assessed progress to ensure consistent learning outcomes. Third paragraph, personal qualities and communication. Next is the third paragraph, where you highlight your personal qualities and how you work with parents. In homeschooling, communication is extremely important. Parents want regular updates and reassurance that their child is learning and growing. This paragraph should show that you are patient, organized, and supportive, not just academically, but emotionally as well. A good tip is to mention collaboration with parents, because homeschooling is a partnership. Here's the sample paragraph. I am organized, patient, and highly attentive to student needs. I value open communication with parents and provide regular updates on academic progress, strengths, and areas for improvement. I also encourage critical thinking, independence, and positive study habits within a supportive home-based learning setting. Fourth paragraph, closing interest. Now we come to the closing paragraph of the letter. This paragraph expresses your interest in an interview and invites the family to contact you. It should sound polite, confident, and open. Why this is important is because it encourages the next step without sounding demanding. Here's the full sample. I would welcome the opportunity to further discuss how my teaching experience and commitment to individualized education can support your homeschooling goals. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Sign off and signature. After that, we finish the letter with a formal closing and your name. Use a professional sign-off like "Sincerely," followed by your signature and printed name. Here's how it looks. Sincerely. Signature. Rachel M. Donovan. Before we wrap up, here are a few overall tips to remember when writing a homeschool teacher job application letter. Always keep your tone professional but warm. Parents are not just hiring a teacher, they're inviting someone into their home and their child's education. Be clear, honest, and confident about your abilities. Avoid copying generic job letters and always tailor your letter to homeschooling by emphasizing personalization, patience, and communication. Take your time, proofread your letter, and make sure it truly reflects who you are as an educator. And that's it. That's how you write a homeschool teacher job application letter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more writing guides just like this. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.